myself. My name is Nur Faiza. People usually call me Faiza or Iza. I was born in Sumeneb on November 2, 2002. I come from a supportive and loving family of our, including my parents and older brother. My parents have always encouraged us to achieve our dreams and education, which has been a significant driving force in my life. And now I live in Bungbungan village in Sumeneb. I'm still a village student currently enrolled in the third year. My major is management at Universitas Wiraraja. In my free time, I usually watch Korean dramas and read fiction stories. And I have a hobby of traveling to see the beauty of nature. Usually when I have a holiday, I go to beach to see the sunset because looking at the beach waves you have a lot on your mind is calming and very fresh for the brain.
Sa hangin, pansin ko lagi na lang usok. Walang malinis, halos puro pollution. Parang ako raw na konsumisyon. Gulong-gulo ang isip, san ba lulugar kapag nagkamali? Grabe sila manghusga. Perfecto ba sila? Huminga ka ng malalim at isipin mabuti ang mga desisyong ilalaan para sa kinabukasan nang makapunta sa paroroonan. Kung dahan-dahan nating simulan muli ang paghakbang, tandaan mo, sapat ka. Dahan-dahang tanggalin ang maskara at hayaang tumulo ang bumabadyang mga luha. Dahan-dahang iangat ang mukha upang maslayan ang mga taong ika'y pinapahalagahan. Oo, pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-isa. Kaya't lumaban ka. Ang